All right, good morning. It's about 9 o'clock, and I got a whole bunch of stuff from my shop. Scrap. I mean, it's all automotive, aluminum, steel, and some catalytic converters. I'm gonna take it down to the scrap yard and see what I can get for it. It actually cost me nothing because it was just all old, banged up, used parts, aluminum condensers, radiators, water pumps, steel Freon tank. It's empty. It's empty. Aluminum motor mounts and stuff, compressor. The cats are gonna probably catch a pretty good price because they're OEM. You know, they want OEM cats. But let's see how much I can get for this. Like I said, I paid absolutely nothing for all of it. It's just from old work over the years. All right, and these are the results of about an hour worth of quote unquote work. I mean, the drive was itself was 30 minutes, and when I got to the place, they unloaded all of it for me. So, um, yeah, I made 220 bucks in an hour. Super easy. This was just all scrap stuff. Now I know it's not maybe ideal for everybody, but when I hear people complain that they can't make no money out there, it is possible. People are throwing this stuff away. They don't want it, and they will give it to you for free if you take it. And then you go turn it in and scrap it. Hope this helps. Please subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks.